What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. As the title and the thumbnail says, I will be working on the trunk of my Lexus today. The car show season is coming to a start, and my first car show is going to be in about a couple weeks. So I want to change my trunk setup to a new setup. It's been the same setup for about 2 years now. If you guys don't know how my trunk setup looks like, I'll put a video of it right here so you guys can see what my trunk setup looks like when I'm at shows. But when I don't have the show set up in the back, this is how my trunk looks like right here, just so I can put groceries or whatever I want in the trunk so that it's still usable. But I still want to do the whole Japanese pond theme back here in the trunk. So I have some spray foam right here that I want to try to make, like, you see that picture right there. If you, if you guys can see that. But yeah, I want to use this foam, maybe get some cardboard cut out and just kind of just like make a whole new waterfall scenic type of thing over here. And don't get me wrong, the setup that I had before was perfectly fine. I loved it and other people liked it as well. But I just want to just keep getting better and doing better. So that's what I want to try to do in this video. Hopefully I can. And if you guys have not seen it yet or have not seen my car, this right here is my Lexus wide body right here. And over here, if you guys didn't see that video, I just picked up a FRS. And this right here is going to be my new project car that I will be installing the Neo 86 wide body kit on it with the pop-up headlights. So that one will be in about 6 months or so. So I'm just waiting on the pre-order to be fulfilled for that. But today we are going to be working on the trunk of the Lexus. So let's go ahead and get started on that. So the first thing I got to do is take all this apart. I think I want to try to take off these, I don't know, this panel right here to see if I can mount the tank up on top here somehow, just so I have like a little bit more room to play with, because right now I only have like half this trunk like you guys saw, and that's what I usually do. I just use my little bamboo to block off the air setup here, and then just have like half the trunk over here to have my pond. But maybe I think I might want like a little bit bigger. So I gotta try to figure out how to mount the tank on top and then shift the compressors back, give me like maybe like 6-8 more inches. And 6 and 8 more inches is a lot to me. All right, so I was able to get this cover off right here and look up here, and there's really nowhere for me to mount the tank on top. Because there's this speaker right here and then these metal rods for the trunk, or yeah, for the trunk. But yeah, so I guess there's not much I can do up here, because I could mount the tank like right up front here, but that's going to be in the way of what I want to show. So I guess I will just have to mount the tank further back and then put the compressors back there as well. All right, so I have somewhat of a design down that I want for my trunk right here, and I have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm going to be using some of this pond and stone foam right here, and I hope that it is waterproof. It says water resistant, but we'll see how this works. But yeah, I have a little design on how I want the waterfall to be. We'll see if it works. And so let's go ahead and get this on the box that I have right here right now. Wish me luck, guys. Let's see. All right, guys, it might not look like much right now, but it will. I'm gonna just spray a little bit more, I guess a lot more of this all over here. I bought some fittings to get my water lines all good. But yeah, right now it just looks like I got a whole bunch of things just sitting here, but gotta trust the process. Alright, so I have the basic shape down here. This right here is going to be like the big waterfall, and then it's going to come down here. The waterfall will come off this little ledge right here, and it will also turn down here. I'm not sure if I want to put like a little hose, like a little water tube that comes over here and then comes down here. But this right here is where the pagoda is going to sit. So I might do like a path instead, like stairs to the pagoda. But I'm not too sure yet. But I just did this just in case I have the choice of doing the stairs or the water, like another waterfall going into here. And then I have another can of the foam coming in as well. So if I don't want to put the pagoda here, and then I can just fill that spot up and just put like a waterfall from there. And then I can move the pagoda somewhere else if I want to. But this right here is the basic shape that it's going to be. That will sit right in my trunk right here. So yeah, it looks like a big glob right now, but like I said, trust the process. That's what I have to do, because right now I have no idea how I'm going to carve all of this and make it look nice, but I guess I have to. I already started it, so gotta follow through. Alright, so I am in the house now, and it's about 11:30 p.m. Everybody has gone down, and so I have some time to work on the piece here. So I use a knife, and I'm gonna like shape it out sort of like this to make it look like rocks, and then I gotta go buy some stuff tomorrow to put paint over it and make it more waterproof. Sorry, I'm eating a salad, and by salad I mean papaya salad, and it is so good, but it is spicy. And if you guys like papaya salad, give the video a like. But back to this water fountain that I got going on here. Yeah, so I'm gonna just take my knife and just keep going at it. I gotta shape everything, because this right here does not look like any rock I have ever seen in my life. But yeah, just gotta go and just shape it and make sure that everything looks kind of somewhat believable. So let's go ahead and do that. I got some fake moss coming in tomorrow that I will just be putting. I don't know where I'm gonna put it yet, but and then I have like some quick connects for all the hoses as well. That's for like all the water. But yep, let's go ahead and just keep doing this, get this finished, and watch some Full House and eat my salad. Alright guys, this is how it was before all this clunky mess right here. And look at this side right here. So it looks more believable as a rock. Kind of, I had to like shape it how I wanted it. But let me know what you guys think. This right here is obviously going to be where one of the waterfalls is going to come down. And then the other one is going to come down right down straight right here. So I gotta add more foam to the middle here, but let me know what you guys think about this side. I think I did pretty good, and I will be adding some more, something to make it I guess waterproof. So I'll be adding that maybe tomorrow, or once I get all this shaped the way I want to. But yeah, right now it looks pretty much like a rock, other than except for over here. But yeah, that is before, and this is after. Let me know what you guys think. Alright guys, so this came out much better than I thought it was going to. Come on, tell me that this does not look like rock. It's crazy how it turned from this into something that looks like it can pass for rocks and like a real waterfall. So I'm going to add more spray foam right here, so that's why I didn't really care about this part, because there's like a little hole here. And yeah, I'm going to add a little more here and a little more at some random places over here. But just giving you a little update, and yeah, how does it look? This looks pretty believable, right? Yeah, I think this looks really good. Oh yeah. So I'm still not sure what I'm going to do over here. It is 1:30 a.m. so I guess I am going to go sleep, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. So I am outside now, and come on, take a look at this and tell me this does not, well, this cannot pass as real rock. So I bought some other this one material called dry lock that I will be tinting and then putting it over the foam here. And it has like a sandy feature, sandy texture, and then it will help keep this waterproof. So when the water flows down, I think I'm going to put the hole right here somewhere, or maybe up here, and then when the water comes down, hopefully it'll come down right here, and it'll come down over here as well. So I have one more can left. This is the can that I'm using. One more can left. I'm gonna put it like right here, just so I could make it like a little bit more of an angle right here. And then I got some gaps to fill, like right there. I think like right over here somewhere. And yeah, I'm just gonna add a little bit more here and there so I could carve it out more. And yeah, just let me know what you guys think about the look of this thing right here, because I think that it looks pretty good, especially for it being just spray foam and just using a knife to just carve it out. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Almost done with this project. Once I'm done carving it and then putting the dry lock on, and then I have to, well actually, once I'm done with this, and then I have to route all the water lines. But I will show you guys what I'm going to do with that, because I don't even know what I'm going to do yet. But once this thing all dries and I carve it out, and then I'll let you guys know how I plan on doing it. So another night of working on my waterfall, and another night of eating papaya salad. And you guys know it's so good, but it's so spicy, but you just can't stop eating it. If you feel the same way, give the video a like. So it is finally time for me to get this piece right here painted. I got a cup of what they call a dry lock right here. And then I will be mixing in the paint, some acrylic paint, to get it more rock color. So I might go like a gray, and some of them will be, well, it'll go from gray to like a darker gray. And right now, the state that it's in right now, it's very porous, so it's not waterproof. But once I put this on, it should make it waterproof. So that's my thought process right now. So let's go ahead and get started with that. Almost done with the project, guys. Alright, so this is how the centerpiece right here looks like. I got my other pieces all around my garage right now, excuse the mess. But I got the plumbing set up, so the water is working now. It's not as much as I want it to be. Yeah, so I might buy like another one of these pumps and put it like, I think over here, so that it comes down this waterfall as well. So yeah, it works. So I don't know, maybe should I just leave it like this? Yeah, I don't want it to be like a big rush of waterfall, you know. But I wish that water came down here. I don't want to cut here in like a V so that the water flows down there either. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet. But yeah, it works. Everything is working right now. So let me just put this back together for you guys real quick, so you guys can get a look of how it looks like. Alright, and here is how it's going to be mocked up right here. Got the side pieces here. Pagoda will go right here, but you can't really see where the water's coming from, which is good. And yeah, there's the water coming down. The side piece right here. I don't have the boards on yet. I'm still wrapping those right now, but I don't know if you guys could tell, but I wrapped the back of it black, and my tank and my air compressors will be back there too, so it'll be exposed. But yeah, this is how my trunk is right here. Let me know what you guys think. Yes, I have to go and buy some fishes now, but yeah, it's looking pretty good right here. I think it looks pretty nice. I just gotta get the water situation figured out. Hopefully in the next couple of days. But let me know what you guys think about my new trunk setup so far. I got a car show in a couple of days, so I will see you guys then. I'm gonna go ahead and try to get all of this finished up so that it can be show worthy, and then I'll show you guys the final product when I'm at the car show. Alright, so I'm posted up here at the car show right now. Got my car all ready here, in case you guys have not seen the car yet. Interior looking nice and clean. And what you guys have been waiting for, the new trunk setup right here. Got my little Zen garden right here, waterfall going on. Let me know what you guys think of the new trunk setup here. guys want to watch the video of the car show, I will have that video linked in the description below as soon as I get that video edited. But I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and seeing how I built my trunk setup here. Hopefully you guys like it. But I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to enjoy life, go slow.